What if I told you that some of the world's most profitable side hustles are hiding in plain sight? See, when most people think of side gigs, they imagine driving for Uber or selling their old clothes online. But the truth is, there are side hustles out there so unusual, so unexpected, that they not only make great money, they can actually snowball into massive wealth over time. I'm about to show you 6 surprising side hustles that practically anyone can start. And they don't require fancy degrees, big investments, or years of experience. And while they might sound strange at first, remember, what seems weird today might just be your smartest move tomorrow. Let's kick it off with one you can start from your phone right now. Side hustle. Number 1, creating UGC, user-generated content. Here's a money secret. Companies are desperate for video content, but they don't want high-budget commercials. They want something that feels real, like it's coming from an actual customer. These are called UGC videos, short clips where real people talk about products in a relatable way. You'll see them all over TikTok, Instagram, and increasingly on Amazon storefronts. The best part? You don't need thousands of followers. These brands don't care about your audience. They're paying you to film authentic review-style content that they can post. All you need is decent lighting, a smartphone, and a clear voice. Create a gig on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, or pitch directly to small brands you love. A 1-minute video can earn you between $50 and $500, depending on your niche and experience. And this side hustle is growing. Some people start with one simple gig, and within months they're running a content agency, outsourcing writing, editing, and working with brands at scale. So, yeah, filming shampoo reviews might actually be your first step toward financial freedom. Let's keep that curiosity going, because hustle number 2 sounds basic, but it's probably one of the most overlooked moneymakers today. Side hustle number 2, furniture assembly on demand. Now hold on, I'm not saying you need to become a carpenter, but platforms like TaskRabbit, Thumbtack, and even Craigslist are full of people looking for help assembling IKEA furniture, mounting TVs, or putting together backyard items. Shocking as it sounds, there are people earning full-time living wages from this work. Why? Because modern consumers value convenience over everything. Tons of busy professionals are happy to pay $75 or even $150 just to avoid dealing with screws and manuals. I know, I've paid for it myself. Let's assume you book 2 $75 jobs per day. That's $150 daily. 5 days a week, $750. That builds to $3,000 a month, tax-free if done under the table, and even more if you scale and outsource. All you need is a few basic tools, maybe a power drill. But most furniture today even includes everything you need. Just deliver great service, and clients will keep coming back or refer you. And who says you need to stop at furniture? Offer extras like TV mounting, curtain installs, or shelf hanging. Bundle your services, build a brand. Yep, even a simple hustle like this can evolve into a real business. Now, if you thought that was wild, let's head into one of the most peculiar, but seriously underrated, money-making ideas circulating right now. Side hustle. Number 3, selling acorns. Yes, acorns, the kind that fall out of trees. Hundreds of sellers across platforms like Etsy and Amazon are making real money by packaging and selling real acorns for decor, crafts, or animal feed. Some go for up to $1 each, and people are actually buying them. Don't have access to real ones? Fake acorns work too. Sellers buy them in bulk for pennies on sites like AliExpress, then flip them online at a 200–300% markup. Just look around. Listings for decorative acorns have thousands of monthly orders. This isn't a miracle get-rich-quick tactic. It's an example of seeing untapped opportunity, of building a stream of income where others see nothing. Stay with me because the second half of this list gets even more creative and more scalable. One of them involves gaming, and another, it could turn a $40 purchase into $140 in pure profit. Now let's move into hustle number 4, which might sound bizarre at first, but for gamers, this could be an unbelievable opportunity hiding in plain sight. Side hustle. Number 4, selling in-game items. Right now, thousands of gamers are making real money selling in-game assets like character skins, rare items, and digital currency. They're doing it through websites like Player Auctions, G2G, and Epic NPC, all platforms that connect gamers who want to sell or buy virtual goods using real cash. If you've ever played a game like RuneScape, Roblox, GTA 5, Fortnite, or League of Legends, you may not realize that the virtual items you've earned can be sold for solid money. In some cases, even thousands of dollars if it's rare enough. For example, some people in Roblox earn by flipping Robux, the game's digital currency, buying low, selling high, or trading for exclusive gear. One seller on Player Auctions has completed over 280,000 transactions. That's not a side hustle, that's a business. And this isn't limited to hardcore professionals. Even casual players can list their items, offer game-boosting services, or sell accounts they no longer use. If you're already spending time gaming, this is one of the easiest entries into income without changing your habits. Let's shift gears a bit. Side Hustle 5 requires a little more hands-on effort, but it's one of the most overlooked opportunities in the resale world. Side Hustle. Number 5, flipping broken phones for parts. Every year, millions of phones get damaged, dropped, or just stop working. Most people toss them into a drawer or sell them cheap on Facebook Marketplace or eBay. And that's exactly where your opportunity begins. Let's say you find a broken iPhone selling for $30. Most people assume it's worthless, but you'd be surprised how many parts inside still work. The battery, the logic board, cameras, buttons, charging port, all of these things can be resold separately. For example, you buy a broken iPhone 11 for $30. You carefully open it up, test which parts are functional, and list them on eBay. Rear camera, $20 battery, $15 charging port, $10 logic board, $25 volume buttons and housing. Another $10, that's about $80 worth of parts, minus fees and shipping, turning a small flip into real profit. You don't need to repair anything, you just part it out. This is called phone harvesting, and it's the same concept that bigger refurb companies use, just scaled way down. Once you know what phones or brands have the best part values, you can do this consistently. Buy locally, part them out in batches, and create a repeatable system. There are even free teardown videos online that show you how to take each model apart safely. Let's move to the final hustle, number 6, which has the most potential to scale into a serious income, even a full-time business if you play it right. Side hustle number 6. Building niche content with affiliate links. If you've ever posted a review or shared a product you liked with a friend, you're already halfway there. Now imagine taking that same energy and creating short, helpful product videos or written reviews, then adding a simple affiliate link that earns you money every time someone buys through it. Here's how it works. You pick a product category, maybe skincare, maybe home gadgets, maybe fitness gear. You create content, short videos, blog posts, or even social media posts, reviewing and recommending those products. Then you join an affiliate program like Amazon Associates and earn a cut of every sale. This isn't theory. Real creators with tiny followings are making $1,000 to $10,000 a month just by recommending gear they already use. I've seen hairbrush review channels with 2,000 subscribers bringing in more revenue than influencers with 50K followers. The key here isn't going viral, it's trust and consistency. Focus on helping a specific niche make informed buying decisions. Over time, you build a loyal audience and your commissions increase. Here's where the snowball happens. As your content ages, it keeps earning. One product review you made 3 months ago might still be generating income today. You can expand this into email lists, product roundups, sponsored reviews, even launching your own product later. And unlike gig-based hustles, this builds digital equity, something that grows even when you're not working. Now, if you're wondering where to begin, don't worry. You don't need to do all 6 hustles at once. Just pick one that fits your lifestyle best. Whether it's flipping iPhones, creating videos, or monetizing your hobby, remember, every great wealth journey begins with a small, sometimes weird step